Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Maurer. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'd like to take you on our brand new 2019 255 Scout Dorado. How about we take a step aboard and I'll take you through this boat here. So as you can see, we have a starboard side entry, and I'm going to use the entrance ladder. So look at the amount of space you have for fishing back here. All right, so you have a huge cockpit. You can do a ton of things with this boat. Now, if you want to entertain a bunch of guests and maybe go out for dinner or lunch, these bench seats fold out and down. So you have one here as well as right here, okay? But again, if you do want to go fishing, you can put them, tuck them in, and you got a ton of room for fishing. Also, if you want to go tubing, Scout puts a pull pole right here. And then you can look at the line of rod holders, cup holders, live well. So everything you need is right back here and easy to get to. Hop aboard. Let's start over here. So here's, you can treat it as a entertainment / tackle area, okay? So maybe you can prep some rigs or some baits, or you can use this as a cutting board when you're having a docktail party on your boat. And we have a nice storage drawer here. And then there's a little Yeti cooler that goes into this compartment right here. And then we have our sink. And as you can see, everything's nice and covered. You can flip this to this side too. And then you have another cutting board, okay? Simply pushing this button here, if I were to push this button, this seat retracts all the way back right to around here. So you can push it all the way out, give you a little bit more comfort. Or if you just want to be in the sitting position, just simply hit the button and the seat will come all the way forward, okay? Also, one of the nice upgrades on this boat, and it's pretty incredible to hear it, is this upgraded JL speaker system that we have. So when you're tubing or even fishing, whatever you're doing back here, you can put on your favorite song, your favorite radio station, play it through your phone, Pandora, and you can really just blast. Everybody will hear your boat coming. It's kind of cool. So coming forward, the helm of the boat, all right? So you have a nice tilt wheel here. So this wheel go up and down. Fusion stereo system, all right? You have the Garmin XSV touchscreen system right here. A nice glove box. And then all your switches are kind of facing you, so there's a nice angle to it. It gives the helm a nice dimension to it. And then these Yamaha's 200s are pushed by digital controls, all right? And then you'll have your bolster seat, so this seat goes up and down. So if you want to get up above the windshield, you can simply sit up here. If you want to get down below the elements, drop the seat down, and your comfort and your line of sight's right in the middle of the windshield, okay? Same thing goes for the starboard side, okay? So we have our cockpit cover and front cover up here, but you can see the nice area for your passengers to sit as well. So let's take a look at the head, all right? For a 25-foot boat, head is huge. You have a sink, a mirror, everything you need is right there. You have a nice floor. So Scout really goes above and beyond with their attention to detail and how they manufacture their boats. Why don't we have the cameraman step forward, take a look at that bow. So there's a little bit of a step up, but you can see the wraparound seating up there, so you can sit a few people facing forward with their feet up, holding the grab rails, or you can just sit straight around for entertainment factor. And this boat does come equipped, as you see right now, with that windlass, and it's a huge anchor locker. Take notice of the large JL audio speakers up front. Again, this particular boat has the upgraded stereo system. I can't emphasize enough the sound quality that you will get out of this. So, I hope you enjoyed your time on our 255 Dorado. We hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, please call me at any time. My name is Mike Maurer, or any other of our sales consultants can help you. You can reach us at 609-926-0600. You have a great day. We'll see you on the water.